What's up, guys? So, today we are going to talk about crypto.com, which is kind of new in the market but doing like pretty great. They're both for NFT and crypto marketplace. So, you can like mint or trade NFTs here. Also, you can go for crypto right there. So you'll see a lot of good volumes right here. And we are going to talk about a lot of altcoins today, crypto coins, and also some NFTs from crypto.com, the features you got right here. So there's a lot you can see. The website looks pretty cool. There you get the live bar for like cryptos. You can click on learn more. There you get also Visa card if you need from crypto.com, which is pretty good. And you get a lot of offers if you get this Visa card. That's pretty good. There you can crypto earn up to 14% P on cryptos, 8.5p on stable coins. So of course, like for future, like for long term, go for the stable coins. Um, Trade with confidence on the world's fastest and most secure crypto exchange. So this is we are on the desktop. Also, it's available on Play Store and App Store for Android and Android and iOS. DeFi made simple. That's pretty good. Cryptocurrencies every wallet. Founded in 2016, users 50 million. There you can read more about them. So today we will mostly focus on some charts about cryptos, like for Bitcoin right there. If you click on that, you can see the 24-hour chart there. So it's currently on 20,000. So here we see a good pump right there. So like plus 2.97, almost 3% in the last 24 hours, which is pretty good. You can see the volume, you can see the market cap, which is 389 billion. Last 24 volume is 32 billion USD. The circulating supply, max supply is 21 million BTC. So we will go deep around with the chart right there. So for like chart, of course, I suggest trading view. So if I go to trading view and search your BTC, USDT, sorry, that's on Binance. So you can change there also for this Binance to, okay, there is no crypto. So we will just look on the Binance there. There should be crypto. Okay, there is no exchange. Okay. But that's same for it. So BTC looks like this for what if I took the time limit in 1 hour. So it kind of looks like this. So it was yesterday, it was around 19,000, around 500, and it pumped and it got a good support zone to the 20,000, which is pretty good. So we can easily see pump right there. Like there's a chance about that. We can see the RSI right there, which is like around good buy zone. So we got a good buy around here, which is good. That's how we got a good pump right there. There you got a lot of indicators there. So of course we see a good support, a good resistance there, like around there. This position is the first resistance for the 1 hour chart, of course. So yeah, around there. So it like pumped started from here and it is going to there. So it looks good for me. But if I go for the long term for 4 hours, so we see that's the position. So we have seen that it has pumped before from the same position, so there's a like good resistance right over there and it is going for it. And for the support level, the lowest support around here, the first lowest support around here is 19,000 around, right there.